Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and as you can see that after taking support around 105.30, DXY is showing signs of recovery. Though the recovery is not massive, but yes, slowly it is trying to recover, and right now standing at 106.64. So on the 4 hours time frame, DXY right now is standing at the 50 moving average, but the current position is not very certain. It's not very solid. So it looks like the DXY is heading towards the next resistance level of or the previous high of 108. If it goes up also, 108 will be the new resistance or next resistance for DXY, and the support is still the same, 105.30 to 105. So the support and resistance level are almost the same for DXY as of now. But yes, DXY is showing small signs of recovery. Now let's have a look at a chart of gold. This is a 4-hour chart of gold, but as gold is not showing a good volatility right now, so we will be moving to the 1-hour time frame. You can see that the chart of gold has not changed. The levels that we have been discussing for the last couple of days are still very much intact and still very much valid. Right now, gold is standing at 1753. This is the current market price of gold. If we look at the daily time frame, it is the daily time frame gold. Then you can see that on the daily time frame also the picture is not much clear. And if we go to weekly time frame, okay, in the weekly time frame, we can see that doji has formed a gold has formed a doji. And doji signifies indecision in the market. So more or less we get the confirmation that on the higher time frame, okay, things are not very clear. Okay, things are in indecision mode on the higher time frame. Maybe we will get a clear picture by the NFP. So for today, the big levels are, the resistance is 1763.50, 1767. If market shows a big green candle, listen to me carefully now. If market shows a big green candle, then market will be heading towards 1763, 1767, because this is the only resistance on the chart of gold right now that has the potential to reverse the market. Okay, and the resistance for this week is 1785 to 86. But in this present situation, when we do not have any news also, I think market will not be heading towards 1785, 86. And if market goes up also, market will be reversing from 1763, 64, 65 level. If you see market going up and market showing price rejection from above, you will get the confirmation that yes, sellers are still present around the resistance here, and you can go for a sell position. But on the chart of gold, I would like to mention one more thing, and that is that you can see gold, okay, gold is forming lower highs here. It means that it may be the selling pressure is increasing or the number of sellers are increasing slowly. So if this time gold fails to cross this level here and starts going down, then yes, there may be a selling pressure coming up in the coming days. See, taking a sell position when market will go up and reversing from the resistance is a clear thing. Okay, I think so that you are not confused regarding this part. Okay, the next part may be a little bit confusing, so listen to me carefully. So next time when market will be reversing from the upside, okay, just observe the level. Okay, if it reverses from 1760, if it reverses from 1760, 1763, 64 level, from this level, then things are okay. You can consider that gold is trading in a range. Okay, gold is sideways. Sideways means number of buyers and sellers are equal. So as a result, you can take a sell at the resistance and you can go for a buy at support. Okay, but if gold reverses without uh, without reaching the previous high, If gold starts coming down after forming a lower high, it means that the number of sellers are increasing, the selling pressure is increasing in the market, and as a result, there's a high chance that gold will break the support and go down. So as a result, you must observe the market carefully during the day. Okay, during the day, when there will be less volatility in the market, especially during the Asian session and European session, observe the market around 1757, 1756 level. Let me write it down: 1757 to 1756 level. If you see market reversing from this level, then it's okay. You can go for a small or quick sell position where you can expect to make 30 to 40 pips if the volatility is low. But in case you see that market is reversing from here only 1753-54 level, it means that market has failed to cross the previous high again. So as a result, this time the selling pressure will be more high, and in that case you cannot expect the market to take support around 1747 level, because around 1747 we have a support for the day traders. See here. So if the market remains sideways and choppy like this, okay, where we are seeing price rejection from both the top and the bottom, then only you can expect 1747 to act as support for the market. 1747, okay. But in case market continues the pattern of lower highs, okay, if market continues the pattern of lower highs, then obviously market will break 1747 and go down. So the 1747 as support is not a very strong support. Okay, this is just a minor support that may work during the day when there is less volatility in the market. But in case market starts forming lower highs, okay, then obviously market will break it. So please observe the market, then only take a decision, because after all we are traders, we are not gamblers. So do not trade blindly. And on the other hand, 1740 is still a good support for the market during the day. If market starts falling, you can expect the market to bounce from 1740 level. If market bounces from 1740 level, you can consider a buy position. Below that we have 1734-35 level. I think these are the supports that will remain functional for the day. I don't think so market will be testing 1722-27 today. Still, I would like to repeat that in this market, the weekly support is 1720 to 27 level, and the weekly resistance is around 1763 to 67. Sorry, 1785 to 86. These two are the big support and resistance. But right now, market is trading in this range only. If you have failed to understand whatever I said in the video, please try to watch the video again when you are free. Okay, because things may be a little bit complicated because market changes from time to time. And whatever do, please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. And my dear friends, from tomorrow onwards, the Forex Hero Masterclass, the world's most affordable workshop, will start. So Hindi or English दोनों में ही होता है. And my dear friends, as you all know, that I do not conduct these workshops regularly. So I don't know when I'll be conducting the next workshop. So if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the workshop, because this is the world's more affordable workshop, trading workshop, where you'll also receive support for 1 month. Okay, so you can also see that I have also shared my story, where you'll learn that nothing is impossible in the market. If I made it, then you can make it too. And these are the benefits. So if you're interested, please check out the link in the description box. Bye bye, take care.